Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I am Ankush Khatri. Today I am going to talk you through my library management system project developed in Java. This project helps manage books in a library and provide functionalities like login, registration, issuing and returning books. So first of all, we have login and registration module. Let's start with the login screen. So here if I write any username or password, as it shows invalid username or password because we have to register first. So we will register. Here I write username and I write now the password. Okay. 1234 is the I set the password. Okay. User registered successfully. Now I write username and password. Now as you see in the login screen, this is the dashboard, main dashboard. Here is the output screen and these are various buttons. So first of all, we have add book button. It allows adding a new book by entering the ID, title, author name and the quantity. So here first of all we will write ID 1 to 1. Okay, I set ID 1 to 1. Our title we set ABC and author let's say Ankush and quantity we said we have 4 quantity. Okay, book added successfully. Now here in display books, see in the output screen, we see the ID, title, author, and quantity. Now we have to update book. The update book only updates the recent books that are available in our library management system. Okay, so book ID we have to write that we have to update 1 to 1. Okay, new title. Let's say capital A B C D. Okay, author. Let's say anything. Okay, and now quantity we have 5. Okay. Book updated. Okay. Now show click on display books. Here we can see that books is updated. Now next button is delete book. So we can delete book by only writing our book ID. 1 to 1. 1 to 1 is book ID. Okay. Book deleted successfully. Now click on display books. See no books available on the output screen. Now next button is search by ID. Okay. First of all we have to add one book. 1 to 1. Title ABC. Okay. Author name. Push quantity. Let's say 4 again. Okay. Book edits. Display books. Now we have to search a book. Search by ID. Enter ID. 1 to 1 is the default ID of our book. Not default ID means we have write the ID of our book. Okay. Found ABC by Ankush. ABC is book name, that is title, and Ankush is the author name. Okay. Let's add one more book. One is the book ID. Okay. Enter something we will write book title. Okay. And author. Anything. Okay. Quantity 4. Okay. Book added. Okay. Display books. See, there are two books. Okay. Not two type of books. For this four quantity of this book, four quantity of this book. Now search by total, search by title or author. Enter the title or author. Okay. We have two title or two author. Let's search Ankush. This is the book. Output screen only we have. Ankush book are for quantity and this book ABC. Okay, now click on display books. We will issue a book. Okay, we will issue a book. Book ID is 1 to 1. We issue. Click on OK. Book issued. As we can refresh again, see the quantity this is to 3. Now issue one another book. We will book we will issue ID number 1. Okay, book issued. Display book again. See, here quantity also reduced to 3. Now we will return book. Enter a book ID to return. 1 to 1 is the book ID. Okay. Book returned. Okay. See, the quantity increases to 4. Now we will see return history. Book ID of 1 to 1 is returned. Okay. Now we will return book ID number 1. Okay. Book returned. Okay. Display books. Okay. Return. Click on return history. See, two books are returned. 1 to 1 book ID and one book ID. Okay. Click on display books again. Here also, we can log out a particular user. Here we log out. So We will make many IDs, many usernames and passwords, many accounts. So let's create one another account. Okay, we will create now ABC. Okay, and password 1234. Okay, user register. So we have now two users. One is Ankush, password 1234. Login. See, login. Now log out. Now we have another username ABC, password 1234. Now we log in. See, two users are there. Now we log out and click on exit button to exit our library. Thank you. This is all about my library management system.